such an honor to be with you tonight. It's a great pleasure for me to be back here in Washington. We've had some great meetings on the Hill, the White House, the State Department, DOD, and to see so many friends here tonight. This is a testament to the friendship of the United States and Kurdistan. I thank all of you for being here tonight. I thank all the companies that have invested in Kurdistan and those who have interests in coming back to Kurdistan and looking at the opportunities. I would like to thank the Chamber here and also the Iraqi Business Council for arranging this meeting tonight. And it's my great honor to address you and talk about some of the opportunities that Kurdistan has. And I'm looking forward to seeing many of you back in Kurdistan. I'd like to invite the second round of farm to port and having so many companies who have an interest in coming and investing in different fields in Kurdistan. In my cabinet, I've tried to diversify our economy and looking at different areas, not only looking at the energy, which I know that there are American companies such as chändin and Masrour that have invested in Kurdistan, and we are very thankful to their friendship and to the continuous partnership that they have with us. In difficult times, they stayed, and that means a lot. And this is, once again, I would like to thank them and thank their friendship throughout the years. But also, we are looking now at how we can invest in agriculture, in different industries, in tourism, and see if we can bring many other American companies to come and look at the opportunities. We have Invest Kurdistan, we have a department, we have a law that is friendly and is inviting to foreign investors to come and look at thousands of opportunities that are available there. So please feel free to come and visit Kurdistan or to stay in touch through whether it's a website or have direct contacts with the Department of Investment in Kurdistan, and also to look at other opportunities that are available there. Once again, I thank you very much for your support, and I want to, on behalf of my delegation, myself, the Kurdish people, to thank the United States for standing with us during difficult times. Kurdistan has been a great place for investment, but it's not been an easy place, especially that we have so many common enemies and challenges that we have to face. And one of the reasons I'm here today is, again, to make sure that Kurdistan stays safe, it stays strong, and with your support, with your help, together we can make sure that Kurdistan has a much brighter future. Thank you again for being here.